Did we devolve instead of evolve?
Okay.
There seems to be several instances where we observe this, and at least in the short term and in modern times.
Okay. Again, it's a general question. So, like, what do we mean by devolve instead of evolve? And I think one of the questions related to that was, like, have we gotten dumber than our ancestors or smarter than them? This is, of course, going to be difficult to say with certainty because, again, these are general terms. We have to sort of develop what they mean specifically. But depending on what you consider something like IQ or certain genetic measures of intelligence to be, there's a study recently, I wish I remember the author off the top of my head, but good genetic work, good genetic study that showed a lot of the genes that we associate with intelligence that are heritable were pretty much crystallized and selected for about 10,000 years ago, which would have corresponded to the Neolithic Revolution and the development of agriculture.
So, like, since then, we haven't gotten any smarter?
Not particularly. Not in relation to those genes or those markers. In fact, you see some other concerning developments there too. It depends on how seriously you take IQ as a psychometric or a real indicator of intelligence, but we are getting measurably stupider in terms of IQ. The average IQ is going down as time has gone on, and it's measurable now. So whether that's something that can be corrected for in a quick time scale, the same way that it's gone down in a quick time scale, that's a different question. But it seems like what we would usually sort of associate as the human potential for intelligence, it's been more or less crystallized since about 10,000 BC. And that's like, everything else would have to be different. It has to come from other environmental factors or something else. This sort of genetic intelligence might be different.